initially when we thought about like doing the renovation, we did some research and we went through all the other contractors' reviews and all in the Google. But when we read about the review and all their work, whatever they've done in their website, we liked it. The reviews were very positive, so we thought let's give it a try. Once the kitchen was done, we were amazed. Like it was exactly what I imagined. Even they added few more features, and it was very good. I was like very happy. It was my dream kitchen. So pricing, one thing we really liked about them is they gave us the itemized bill for everything before they started, and before we signed the contract they explained us through everything, and they were very they were listened to us and they worked with our budget, so we were very happy. So it was well spent money. All the team members were very good, and highly recommend them for anyone who asks me to. They are very accommodative, and they'll value what we want, and they'll focus and work on that. It was very good.